What's up guys, it's me Gmail. So here is the Ringke Air-X, the Xperia XZ2 premium case, which a lot of my premium user fanboys were asking me to review this case. So I reached out to Ringke to send me a review, but sadly they do not send me, but at least they reply my email. So I said, why not I buy it from my own money? So here we go. So this is the Ringke. I'm gonna put on my SONY Xperia XZ2 premium silver color. Personally, I'm a huge fan of Ringke. They build some really very good case, to be honest with you. Okay, okay. I'm gonna cut from here. Okay, here we go. It's already cut. Let me take out the case. Okay, here's the case. Thank you. Awesome. Dual easy film. Dual easy. Okay, I will try it later. Let me put this stuff inside. I'm really very much excited, to be honest with you. So now here's my SONY Xperia XZ2 Premium, which I'm using a cheap bumper case. Okay, here we go. The good thing is that even I can put the lanyard, to be honest with you. Isn't that awesome? I mean, I have a tempered glass screen protector, but the case fit amazingly beautiful, to be honest with you. This is a smoke color. I mean, you need to be the judge. To me, it looks amazingly beautiful. Can I access the camera? Okay. How much pressure I need to put to capture the image? Okay. Volume key. Power lock. I mean, everything worked very good. Even I can put the lanyard here, as you can see. Yeah, now let me put the lanyard. So here the Ringke strap, which I bought it. So I wanna put the Ringke strap. Maybe I wanna put which color? This color, right? This look better. What do you think? Okay, how I can put this Ringke strap? Where to put, to be honest with you? Okay, here. So first, let me remove the case. Okay, here we go. Come on. Okay, here we go. The case is removed. So I'm gonna put the Ringke strap. Okay, here we go. Just ignore the background telephone. I don't know who is disturbing me while I'm making the video. Come on. I mean, it's a little bit harder here, to be honest with you. I mean, come on, Ringke. I think back, the days they include a free one strap, but nowadays you need to buy external. I just bought like a $10 pack. Okay, I am going to use my toothpick from my Swiss knife. Maybe this can help. I think so. Come on. Come on. Come on, Ringke. Come on. Come on. Be a good Ringke. 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 Ah. Ha ha. Ringke, I got you. So first I'm gonna put this one so I don't wanna get lost. I love my Swiss, to be honest with you, knife. This is Swiss toolkit. I forgot the model number. Maybe I will include the link in the description box below. If you wanna buy this case, make sure to buy from my link below, my affiliate link below. Okay. Now I'm gonna put it. Okay. Let me put this one aside. And then, can we see or not? Well, yeah, now I can vlog. Now I can vlog my phone. Whoa. I mean, let's finish the debate. Let's finish the argument. There's no a simple reason to buy another case other than Ringke Air-X Fusion. A simple lanyard strap. From now on, Geek is announcing is not going to buy a single phone which do not spotted by the Ringke, which mean that I'm not going to buy a phone which Ringke do not make their cover. Because this thing is next level. This thing is next level, guys. I'm telling you, this thing is next level. It doesn't really matter if you have iPhone XR, if you have the LG V50, if you have the LG G8, if you have the Galaxy S10. It doesn't really matter if you have the Xperia XZ2. The thing matters is that do it have a strap? Do it have a strap slot? If yes, a must buy. Yeah, it was me, Jimmy. All of the links are in the description box below. Ringke, I wanna say something. Really, I wish you was a female so I can say you. I love you. Yeah, enough with my stupidity. Make sure to check out the link in the description box. But today I'm really very much happy. Literally very much happy. I love you, Ringke. Ringke. Okay. My mistake. It's not Ringke. It's Ringke. Ringke. Whatever. It doesn't really matter. It's Ringke or Ringke. That thing is matter. It's a good thing. It's a must buy. Subscribe. Bye.